Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make McDonald's burritos. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 6 large eggs, a half pound of breakfast sausage, and a quarter cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Don't forget a small onion, a bell pepper, and your favorite salsa for that authentic taste. We'll also use 8 small flour tortillas. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable for everyone. Now let's get cooking. Start by browning your breakfast sausage in a large skillet over medium heat, breaking it up as it cooks. Once it's fully cooked, drain any excess grease. Next, add your diced onions and bell peppers to the same skillet, cooking them until they soften, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Finally, whisk your eggs with a splash of milk and scramble them gently in a separate pan until they are just set, not overcooked. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble these delicious burritos. Warm your flour tortillas slightly in a microwave for about 15 seconds or in a dry skillet. This makes them much easier to roll without tearing. Lay out each tortilla and spoon a generous amount of the sausage and egg mixture down the center. Sprinkle with shredded cheese and a dollop of salsa. Fold in the sides, then roll tightly from the bottom up to create a neat, portable burrito. Your homemade McDonald's-style burritos are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with extra salsa or hot sauce on the side. If you have any leftovers, wrap each burrito individually in foil or plastic wrap and store them in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or freeze them for longer. They reheat beautifully in the microwave or oven. And hey, while you're making your life better, check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice air fresheners and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.